Hi, welcome back to my channel, 11 Plus Success. I hope you watched my previous video about synonyms and antonyms. In today's video, we are going to see another verbal reasoning technique. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe as this will help me to add more videos. Without any more delay, let's get into the video. Today's technique is called what comes next in the letter sequence. In these type of questions, you need to find the letter that comes next in the letter sequence using the clues that are given for you. How do you do this? Let's see the technique. Look at the sequence. Find out how many letters are between the two letters. Use that information to work out the next letter. Let's move on to the first question of today. A, B, C, D and E. Then there are two spaces, meaning that we need to find two letters. Let's use the technique and answer this question. First, look at the sequence. A, B, C, D and E. Second, find out how many letters are in between two letters. So for example, if we take A and B, there are no letters, neither with B and C. Use that information to find out the next letters. So if there are no letters in between E and the next letter, that means the next letter must be F, and after that, G. 4. Write down the letters. And 5. Check if it is correct. Now let's see the answer for question number 1. F and G. Those are the answers. Just a quick note. Sometimes the sequence can go backwards. So just do the same as before. This time count backwards instead of forwards. Let's see an example for this type. Let's move on to question number 2. N, L, J, H and F. Then there are two spaces, meaning that we need to find two letters. Let's use the technique as before and work out the answer. First, look at the sequence. N, L, J, H and F. Second, find out how many letters are in between two letters. There is one letter in between N and L, which is M, and one letter in between L and J. So that means we need to find two letters before F and two letters before that letter. Use that information to find out the next letters, as I just did. 4. Write down the letters. And 5. Check if it is correct. The answer for this question are D and B. Another quick note. If you reach the end of the alphabet, then continue starting from the other side of the alphabet. So pretend there is another alphabet starting with A just after Z. Let's see the example for this type. Question number 3. P, S, V, Y and B. Then there are two gaps. That means we need to find two letters. Let's use the technique as before and work out the answer. First, look at the sequence. P, S, V, Y and B. Second, find out how many letters are in between two letters. For example, if we have P and S, there are two letters in between, which are Q and R. So that means we need to find three letters after B. Use that information to find out the next letters, which I just did. 4. Write down the letters. And 5. Check if it is correct. The answers for question number 3 are E and H. This is the last note. Sometimes there might be two letters that are right next to each other. So in that case, we do the same, but for both of the letters. This is done separately. Let's see an example for these type of questions. Question number 4. D/F, H/J, L/N, and P/R. Then there are two gaps, but for 4 letters. Let's use the technique and work out the answer. First, look at the sequence. D/F, H/J, L/N, and P/R. Find out how many letters are in between two letters. For now, only consider the first letter before the slash. So D, H, L, and P. We will consider the others later. There are only 3 letters between D and H, which are E, F, and G. So that means we need to count forwards 4 letters after P, and then 4 letters after that letter. Now we can consider the last letters after the slash, which are F, J, N, and R. There are 3 letters between F and J, which are G, H, and I. So that means we count forwards 4 letters after R, and then 4 letters after that letter. Now we use that information to find out the next letters. Then you should write down the letters and not forget the slash. Then you should check if it is correct. The answers for question number 4 are T/V and X/Z. Question number 5. N/F, O/E, P/D, Q/C, R/B. Then there is only one gap, so you need to fit 2 letters inside it. Using the technique, can you try and answer this question? The answer for question number 5 is S/A. Did you get it right? Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box below and I'll reply soon. Goodbye.